So for your final project and final project showcase, the directions for the project are here. This is for your project showcase. At this point, you should be done with the final project. The last task that you had to do was back here in week 12, and it involved adding procedures, functions, and triggers to your project. So at this point, you should be done with that final project and ready to do the showcase. You are going to add to the PowerPoint that you created earlier in the semester. So you'll have to add slides for the summary, queries, the views, stored procedures, functions, and triggers. And then once you are done adding those slides, you are going to convert it into a video, and then you will add the video to the discussion forum, just like we did before. And this is the point spread for all of the different activities that you're going to be adding to this slideshow. So once you have created the slideshow, you've converted it to a video, then you're going to come into the discussion forum and you're going to add a new discussion topic. And to add your video, you're going to have to click this just like you did before. And you'll hit browse, and then you're going to have to click choose a file so that you can grab that video off of your hard drive and upload it, just like you did before. And in case you can't remember the steps, I did include them up here for you. So completing the slideshow and videos were 34 points, and then replying to your classmates, viewing their videos and replying to 8 of the posts is worth another 16 points. And you won't be doing that until next week. So for this week, it's all about getting your slideshow done and uploading the video to the discussion. And once you finish that, then you are going to register at Certiport for your exam. Now, if you already have a Certiport account, and some of you may, then just log in. That shows me that you know your username and password, and you need to know those 2 pieces of information to take your certification exam. Okay, so just log in and do a screenshot, and then you will add the screenshot to this Dropbox. Then once you're done with that, there is a practice exam for you. It is lengthy. This is very similar to what you are going to see on the actual exam. So you are going to want to download and save it and open it and go through it. It may take you a while, but it is well worth doing because this is the best way to prepare for this test. There is some new information that you will see on that practice test. So I did a little PDF for you because there is a question on Certiport that is not in the book anywhere. So I did include that information in here. There's also questions, more complicated questions on indexing. So I have included that information in here as well. So anything that I thought you may run into trouble with, I included in here. And this example of how this not equal works with and, make sure you walk through that because it works a little different than regular programming languages. The results are not what you would expect. Okay, and so this explains how that works. You are probably going to have questions on that exam about Cartesian joins, which are also called cross joins, where you basically take the number of rows in each table and multiply them. That's how you get the result. And I would not be surprised if you saw quite a few questions on that. So make sure you look through this, and then you can go ahead and go through that practice test. Once you are done, and it does not matter if you got them all right or not. Okay, I'm not really concerned with whether you got them right or wrong. I do want you to turn them in because you will get points just for doing the test. And then once you turn them in, I will send you the answers so that you have the correct answers to study from. Okay, so that is what we have going on this week. What's going to take you the most time is the practice test. Okay. I don't think adding to the slideshow will take a whole lot of time. Registering at Certiport is super quick. And this is what is going to be the most time consuming thing, but it is also going to be the most worthwhile part because it is going to prepare you for that certification test.